The last section was about a lot of theory and small examples, and let's be honest, that's probably not the most exciting part about learning Vue.js. We are therefore going to take what we learned so far and use it to build an example application. The application is an e-commerce site or a web shop. Rather than me just telling you about it, how about I just show it to you so you can also see with your own eyes what it is that we're going to build over the course of the next lectures. So here it is in all of its glory. On the front page we have a list of products which contain a name, description, price, as well as the number that is in stock. We can of course add each product to the cart if we would like to buy it. So let's add a few. At the top right corner of the page, we can see what's currently in the cart and we can click a button to view it. When viewing the cart, we of course see the products that we have added, as well as the subtotal before taxes, plus the grand total after taxes have been applied. We have the option to increase or decrease the quantity of each product that we added to the cart, and if we decrease the quantity to below 1, the product is removed. Last but not least, we have a checkout button, which prompts the user if he or she really wants to buy the products. If the user confirms, then the products are removed from the cart. The number of products in stock is updated whenever a product is added to the cart and when increasing or decreasing quantities. It's probably not the best idea to remove an item from stock just because it's added to the cart, but it's good enough for our example. Now that you've seen what we're going to build, let me just briefly introduce you to our starting point in regards to the code. I simply have an HTML file which, apart from containing the HTML markup, includes a JavaScript file for our application as well as a style sheet. I have already prepared the HTML markup that we need, so you won't have to watch me type that out, but I have not yet added any Vue directives to it. I do have a few placeholders in place where we need to add dynamic content with Vue. I have likewise prepared a small style sheet which contains just a few styles that we will need to make things look decent. The reason I don't need to add more styles is that I'm using the Bootstrap framework to avoid writing boilerplate styles. The last file I want to show you is the app.js file, which is going to contain all of our code. Right now it simply creates a new Vue instance and contains an array of products that we can output on the page in the next lecture. To build the application that you saw a moment ago, we'll use most of what we learned in the previous section. So with that, let's get to work.